Today, I want to do a few upgrades to my SVL97-3. Sometimes I'm a little hard on equipment, or anybody could be. So Armordillo Armor makes a full, they call their full kit for this thing. So we're going to make it a few episodes in a build series of doing some upgrades for this thing. First thing we're going to start with is this coupler guard from Kubota. It just isn't that good from where I want. From Kubota, from the factory, it only has this cover over the top of it, leaving the rest of your hydraulic controls exposed. Armordillo Armor makes a really nice covered piece to go all the way over this, called a coupler guard. I purchased this stuff and the shipping was great. The company was good to deal with, answered my questions. So I'm going to install this thing and let's see what happens. I'm going to start a build series on upgrading my SVL97-3 with some armored pieces. The company Armordillo Armor makes a really nice upgrade kit to protect vital parts of this machine. So that's what we're going to start with. From the factory, this has this coupler guard, which is okay, but it leaves all of my hydraulics and everything exposed. So today, I'm going to work on starting with this machine in this build of upgrading this piece. This is a substantial cover that's going to replace a lot of that. This thing is seriously made, good construction. The top cover is fully removable in case you need to do something. So we're going to start by installing this piece real quickly, and Now to install this unit, it's actually pretty simple. You're only going to need 2 screws. It comes with a piece of foam that you're going to install from this bolt about 15 inches back, and it just kind of wraps around the top of this hydraulic line just for somewhat protection. I guess where the metal could sit, or close to that piece or whatever. So this thing includes 2, I use a 17mm to take it apart here, and it has 2 14s on this side, which I'll include a picture in just a moment. So let's get started with that. It's a really basic, straight upgrade. Now, you do need to retain the factory bolts on this unit. So it's not bolted from the other side. I really thought it was, but it's just a single piece of metal they use in that side. So we're going to get rid of that one, take those, set those to the side. We're going to take these 2 14mm out of this side. Now these are actually into the hydraulic coupler, into some of the mount of it. Sorry about the noise, but you want to be realistic. So you got 2 bolts to go on that side. So to make it easy, this thing is very heavy, by the way, for what it is. So to make it easy, you can remove the top. Be able to set this piece up here, kind of rest on there, get it started in position. Now I personally will get them started with just a hand ratchet, by hand, and then come back, run them in, then I'll come back and tighten them down to torque. Just so you don't cross thread anything. Please don't do that. This really could not be a simpler upgrade. That really is a substantial upgrade for your machine. And I'll come back and snug them up. And so you can already see this already protecting this part of the lines back this way to this point. So you still have this much exposed. You have 2 bolts. Be able to lock it down. But the good part is it even has a tab on the top where you could lock to, put a clip on to hold some hydraulic lines if needed. And just slides right back on top. Right back in place. Come down. You can snug these a little bit to have it in place so it doesn't rattle. But look at that. Huge upgrade for protecting the coupler compared to where we was at. Still fully accessible all the way through and removable in case you need to service it. Made here in Texas. I mean, like, that's just... So I have a full kit we're going to do on this thing. So this is going to be a big upgrade. I know that's a simple start, but it's going to be, we're going to install a coupler guard, rear bumper, do the forward and rear lights, hood guard, quite a few other things. Do the whole full kit on that thing. But that is a substantial upgrade compared to this. I mean, there's almost no comparison to it in my eyes. I don't have to worry about it near as much. So I want to show you kind of the other side of this thing so you get an idea. I'm doing one-handed camera work here, so it's not the best, but hey, you guys get it. You work on stuff. So there's the other two bolts that come through. And it still gives you a lot of protection there. So anyway, that's a short little video just to show you something there, but it's a good start. I really like the way it turns out. So thanks for checking. Let's check back soon.